Hello friends, this is my first video. In this video we will see that how can make a bootable USB for Windows 10. Requirements for this: at least 8 GB pen drive, admin access on the system, Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10, disk party utility, that is inbuilt utility in Windows. Let's start. First we will run the disk party utility with run as administrator. We will connect the pen drive on the system and we will check out the connected disks here. So we have two disks connected. One is disk 0. This is the main disk on which operating system is installed. In disk 1, this is the pen drive that I have connected. It is 16 GB pen drive and 14 GB usable. So we will select the disk 1. Now it is selected. Now we will clean it. Now we will create the partition. It should be a primary partition. We will select the partition now. Partition 1. Or you can list the partition to get how many partitions are there and what is the number of the partition. So we have already selected the partition 1. Now we will format it with NTFS with quick parameter so that it will format very quickly. Now we will make the partition active. Active will make the pen drive as a bootable pen drive. Now we will assign it a drive letter. Okay, that's done from the disk party utility. Now what we need to do, we will go to ISO of Windows 10. We will mount it in the system. Just right click or mount. Now it will open like a DVD drive or CD drive. Copy all the content from this ISO and go to the pen drive and paste all the contents here. Once the copy is completed, just remove the pen drive from the system and connect on the system where you need to install Windows 10 and boot it with USB. That's it. Thanks friend, please subscribe my channel and put the comment if you like this video. Thanks.